Hi. Want to know what's new at this year's K-Fair? I'm here in Rotterdam at the pre-K event of EMG, and I've spoken with several material and additive manufacturers about their product highlight at this year's K-Show. My name is Florian Streifinger. I'm an editor at Kunststoffe and Plastics Insight, and if you want to know more, stay tuned.
Yeah, one highlight that we will showcase on this year's K-Show is for sure a game-changing PBT, which is targeting the high voltage powertrain of future cars, but also other trends where high DC voltages are being used in different industries.
So is it normally a field where PA66 is very prevalent?
Indeed, it is the established solution so far, and we are happy to supply also our PA66 materials of acrylon and durathan into this market. But the trend to go to higher voltages now really brings the nylon solutions to the limits that are technically feasible. And with that, we find that the new PBT material is the best solution to go, as it has very stable electrical properties, especially at higher temperatures. The properties are very stable, and also with regard to electric corrosion, we have big advantages that are needed to serve this new application space.
What is the difference to normal PBT? Which did it change? First material.
Actually, there is a lot of development targets to serve this application because the requirements are versatile and challenging. But the most important challenges that we tackled are, one, the elongation at break, or generally the ductileness of the material. PBT is not as ductile as a nylon. So to get PBT to the level of a nylon, flame retardant nylon material, was one big achievement that we have here. And the other one is also to have kind of a material that fulfills everything and is still very good with regard to processing properties without any issues.
And is the material really available?
The material is available, but still not openly marketed, but is available for sampling with our customers, and we are about to launch the final name at the K-Show.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Mainly this year we'll be presenting about Cetogem RD, which is a novel dual function 2-in-1 molecule, which acts like acid scavenger and nucleator for polypropylene.
What is the difference compared to other nucleators which are already available?
Cetogem RD is a synthetic high purity balanced nucleators that belongs to the family of balanced nucleators, which means they provide very good controlled dimensions and overall balanced properties for the polymer.
Mm-hmm.
With the advantage mainly related to safety, low migration, better cost position, and as I said, dual function molecule, leading to reduced overall migration of the system, which is becoming a very stringent requirement nowadays in the industry.
And what is the technology behind it?
It's the know-how of Kisuma. So the chemistry is based on magnesium, aluminum compounds.
And is it already available at the market?
Definitely, it is fully commercial. And the product is food approved in Europe, Japan, Switzerland, Latin America, and the FDA. We already submitted the data, and we expect a full approval by Q4 2024. So around the K-Show.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Well, first of all, our aim is to show how SABIC can connect its material with the everyday needs of life. Specifically, one of the main highlights that we're going to address is a solution that we are developing for batteries, specifically in energy storage, as an alternative to aluminum. So it's a metal replacement application.
What kind of a material is it, and what's special about it?
Well, it's a compound called Statcon, belonging to our LNP product family, which has very good properties in extrusion. It allows to be extruded in very thin thickness, below 1 millimeter. So it helps the manufacturers to have a faster and higher degree of freedom in the processability of the material, and there's very good dielectrical properties combined with high chemical resistance.
It's a product already commercially available?
Absolutely, yes. It's already commercially available. And I also would like to add that this material has won 2 awards, the gold medal at the Edison Award and the R&D 100 award at the beginning of this year.
Okay, thank you for your time.
My pleasure. Thank you.
Here at Halsgard, we have been working extensively on developing our new product, the Einer 987, which is a product we intend to use in the anti-fouling, as an anti-fouling for the polyolefin polymerization.
Mhm.
So that means for the reactor processing, we would like to introduce this new product here.
And I find it quite interesting that it's an additive you are directly using during the polymerization process. What are the advantages of that? And probably you can say a little bit more about it.
Yeah. I mean, already in the polymerization process, there is the inherent property of plastic that has a tendency to create static buildup.
Mhm.
And that can affect the processing, meaning that it can affect the reaction temperature and the continuous process, so affecting the quality in the end product.
And is the product already in use, or are we talking about like a pilot stage?
We have been testing extensively. It takes a long time to approve such a product because it's a very sophisticated process we want to reach here. And that means extensive testing in various scales. And we have had a couple of partners that we have been working with and making sure that it works.
Mhm.
And one of them has already decided to move further with the product as it is right now. So we are happy to introduce this at the K Fair.
Okay, thank you very much.
Yeah, we're happy to present at the K Show that we are delivering our promises. We will showcase the latest yogurt cup we are bringing on the market with Müllermilch, Lidl, and PreZero, with an all value chain cooperation. It's in the market. It's 30% recycling content based on INEOS Styrolution polystyrene for direct food contact under the new novel technology setup for Europe.
What kind of recycling are you using for it? Is it chemical or mechanical recycling?
It's mechanical recycling, where we use household waste, typical from the yellow bag in Germany, the blue bag in the Benelux, which then gets collected, gets shredded into flakes. It's washed and it's sorted, and then going back into the mechanical recycling via a final contamination, super clean step, and we bring it back into food contact quality.
So you have like food contact approval for it?
Yeah, we are applied under the new novel technology, this new setup. We also have published already 4 reports, and now we're waiting for the final confirmation from the European EFSA approval agency. But in the meantime, our customers and we are ready to bring it into the market. It's in the shelves, and we are allowed to sell it.
You mentioned like this cup you were showing, but are you also collaborating with other customers? So will we see it in the shelves more often in the future?
Yeah, we are confident for the K Show. We will have much more examples, not just from Germany, but also abroad. It's an European topic, the dairy industry, and we're working with all the major OEMs to bring more and more mechanical recycling yogurt cups to the market.
Thank you very much.
Welcome. Thank you.